With smartwatches and fitness trackers, monitoring health and fitness has never been easier. These devices count steps, measure heart rate, and even track sleep patterns, providing valuable insights that can motivate you to stay active and healthy. Smartphones and computers not only keep us connected with family and friends, but they also enable us to engage with a global community. Through social media, video calls, and online forums, we can share ideas, learn new things, and even build a network that transcends geographical boundaries. Electronics can play a pivotal role in personal growth and learning. From e-books to online courses, technology provides a wealth of resources at our fingertips. It empowers us with knowledge, helping us to learn new skills, pursue hobbies, and even advance our careers. Electronics aid in managing our daily tasks efficiently. Whether it's setting reminders, organizing schedules, or even controlling smart home devices, electronics simplify our lives and free up time for us to focus on what truly matters. Electronics can provide entertainment and relaxation. Music systems, gaming consoles, and streaming devices offer a plethora of entertainment options, helping us unwind and enjoy our leisure time. In summary, electronics are not just about convenience or entertainment. They can also play a significant role in improving our lives. They can help us stay fit, foster communication, facilitate learning, manage our time efficiently, and provide relaxation. So, as we navigate this digital age, it's worth considering how we can harness the power of electronics to enhance our lifestyle and well-being. Remember, the power to improve your life lies not just in the devices you own, but also in how you choose to use them. So take a moment to reflect on how you can make the most of your electronics. After all, they're not just gadgets, they're tools for a better life.